You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Let's see today's headline first. South Korean announces crackdown on crypto crimes with investigate unit. South Africa's election won't interfere with crypto policy, industry watchers. Hong Kong spot Bitcoin ETF success rests on Asian crypto users. Binance Labs dominance uncovered for Launchpool projects. ARK Invest CEO sidesteps OpenAI, names Tesla biggest AI project. Thai regulators crack down on deceptive crypto ads. Solana co-founders released important memes coin statement. Lazarus Group poses as a Fenbushi capital for phishing scams lures users via LinkedIn. Europe needs Airbus for Metaverse to become global Web4's leader. Japan's Web3 ambitions hang in balance as political scandals rocked Kishida's leadership. Solo Bitcoin miner wins the 3.125 BTC lottery solving ballot block. Australian Securities Exchange could approve spot Bitcoin ETFs before 2024 and Bloomberg. South Koreans taking proactive measures to address the surge in the crypto-related crimes and fraud cases by considering the elevations of its joint virtual asset crime investigation unit of an official department. The Ministry of Justice and Ministry of Interior and Security are poised to commence discussions in early May regarding this transition. South Africa has recently put in place a licensing regime for crypto with plans to hand out 60 licenses in the coming weeks. Members of the crypto community don't think that politics will jeopardize the country's plans for the digital asset sector. The much awaited spot Bitcoin ETFs will now come to the Hong Kong market tomorrow, April 30, as per scheduled. Launch China's leading asset managers, Hashkey Capital and Bosira, are on brink of launching Hong Kong spot ETFs and are currently making final preparations. In a recent report from Root Data Labs, the Web 3.0 asset data platforms claim to have compiled data on 30 Binance Launchpool projects since November 2021. For these Launchpool projects, Root Data Labs identified participations from a total of 288 institutions and individual investors. Kathy Wood, ARK Invest CEO, has picked Elon Musk Tesla as the biggest artificial intelligence project over others like OpenAI and Microsoft. In a conversations with Valerio Baseli, a senior international editor with Morningstar, would identify robotaxis or autonomous taxi platforms as a sector that will take the lion's shares of the AI market, adding that it is winner takes most market. The Securities and Exchange Commissions of Thailand wants to ensure that crypto investors are not ruled into the ecosystem by misleading advertisements. On April 29, the Thai SEC warned all operating crypto exchanges against glamorizing crypto investments and reminded them to adhere to prescribed advertising standards. Meme coins carved out their own controversial niche throughout time. The co-founders of Solana has made a bold statement regarding the thesis that meme coins are scaring away serious builders, reminding the crypto community that serious builders should handle a few funny meme assets and keep on focusing on the true goal instead of being scared. The North Korean hacker group Lazarus once again came to the limelight today, April 29th, as the blockchain security firm Slomis spotlighted the group of the impersonating Fenbushi Capital as Asian venture capital firms investing in blockchain companies for exploitations attacks. That's all for today's crypto news. Stay tuned for more updates.